Hi everyone, Shaun here. In a previous video I talked about the fact that I'm sort of embarking on a bit of an accelerated program to drop some weight before upcoming surgery, so I'm getting a new hip. I talked a little bit about intermittent fasting, and I thought I would just do this short video to draw your attention to a great resource on this topic. So if you've never done fasting, I'd encourage you to give some thought to it and investigate it. It's a great way of sort of doing a physiological reset. There's a lot of assumptions about fasting out there in the general public. They're just not correct. What's amazing about fasting is that it does not reset your metabolic rate. So if you look at traditional dieting, when you reduce calorie consumption but still eat, it does a reset to your metabolic rate, and so that's why you gain weight much more quickly, and then after the diets the weight comes back on and it's harder and harder to lose weight. So if you're trying to lose weight, one of the best ways of doing that is through fasting. So when you do a complete fast from eating, the best approach is intermittent fasting, which is very easy. Longer fasts have some additional benefits, but intermittent fasts where you restrict your eating to an 8-hour window, typically those intermittent fasts will go from, let's say, 8 o'clock in the evening to lunchtime the next day. You restrict your eating to nothing, and you can have coffee or tea or water as an example. And when you look at the studies, they confirm that there's minimal loss in muscle mass for short duration fasts, and you don't reset your basic metabolic rate. So that's just an introduction. I draw your attention to this particular video here, which is Dr. Jason Fung, who's a Canadian physician, nephrologist. He deals with a lot of diabetic patients, people with kidney problems, and just out of pure frustration at the dogma around weight loss and helping patients and those strategies not working, he began to explore fasting. He's now written several books on the topic, and if you go to Dr. Jason Fung, you'll come to his own website, and you can also access these videos. But Dr. Jason Fung, Therapeutic Fasting, Solving the Two-Compartment Problem, is a really, really good video. If you want to learn a lot about the background science to fasting, I'd encourage you to take a look at it. You should take a look at it if you're trying to kind of do a bit of a physiological reset, a bit of a house cleaning on your body, trying to lose weight, then take a look at fasting. Have a great day.